So we have the function y is equal to sine x cos x, and we're asked to find the y dx. Now, how do we differentiate this? How do we find the y dx? Now, this is sine x and this is cos x. They are brought together by products. What I mean is that it takes sine x multiplied by cos x to give you what? Sine x cos x. And that brings us to a reminder of when we have a function in the form uv. Alright, so this is a product. So for us to be able to find the y dx, we use the what? The product rule. We use the product rule. And the product rule says what? V du dx plus u dv dx. This is the product rule. Alright, this is the product rule formula. Alright, you have to take note of this. I said this is the product rule. Product rule. So now we're going to take one as our u and take one as our v. So for instance, we can take sine x as our u and take cos x as our v. Alright, now our u is equal to what? Sine x, and then our v is equal to what? Cos x. So we're going to differentiate this side and differentiate this side. Alright, so we differentiate u with respect to x. We're going to have du dx. So if you differentiate sin x, you're going to have what? Cos x. And we're going to differentiate v with respect to x. That's going to be dv dx. What are we going to have? We're going to have minus sine x when we differentiate cos x. Now, coming back here, so we want to find our dy dx here. We want to find our dy dx. Now, we know that our dy dx is using product rule, right? V du dx plus u dv dx. Now, what is our v? Our v is what? Cos x. So that will be cos x multiplied by, what is our du dx? Our du dx is what? Cos x, also cos x. Now, plus what? Now, what is our u? Our u is given to us as what? Sine x multiplied by, now what is our dv dx? Minus sine x. So this becomes what? That dy dx will be equal to what? Now we're going to what? We're going to multiply this. So cos x times cos x, that gives us what? Cos squared x. Now this is plus sine x multiplied by negative sine x. What's it going to give us? It's going to give us what? Minus sine square x. Alright? So we have our dy dx to be cos square x minus sine square x. Now, what do we do next? We have to recall that this is a trigonometric function. Alright? And this is also a trigonometric identity. So recall that from trigonometric identity, cos square x minus sine square x is equal to cos 2x. Alright, you have to remember this is a trigonometric identity. Alright, so it means that our dy dx is equal to what? Cos 2x. And this is our answer. Alright, this is going to be our answer. So when you differentiate this function, you are going to have what? Cos 2x.